How to use differential pressure transmitter to measure correctly. Part 1. In the process of operation, especially in the startup and shutdown of the air separation unit, one-way force should be avoided on the instrument. During the startup of the equipment, close the high pressure and low pressure valves firstly, then open the balance valve, and then slowly open the high pressure, or low pressure, valve, so that the measured medium can enter the positive, negative, pressure chamber of the transmitter. If the liquid is to be measured, the gas in the positive, negative, pressure chamber should be discharged from the upper vent. If the gas is measured, drain the liquid accumulated in the positive, negative, pressure chamber from lower drain screw hole. After discharging the gas, liquid, close the balance valve, and then open the valve on the other side.